dynasty? Who among the following general of Alauddin Khilji ultimately became the first Sultan of Tughlaq dynasty? Ghazi Malik. Ghazi Malik, founder of Tughlaq dynasty. Digging canal for enriching agriculture. Who among the following is given credit of being the first ruler of 14th century? Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq. Sultan of which dynasty ruled country for the longest period? तुगलक डायनेसिटी. सुल्तान स्लैब डायनेसिटी 1206 से 90, खिलजी 90 से 20, 1320, लोधी 1451 से 1526, तुगलक 1320 से 1412. द मोस्ट लर्नड रूलर ऑफ दिल्ली सल्तनत हु वाज वेल versed in various branches of learning including astronomy, mathematics and medicine was Alauddin Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Which Sultan introduced new department Amir-e-Kohi? Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Diwan-e-Amir-e-Kohi to improve agriculture. Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Which Sultan of Delhi established a separate agriculture department and had planned the rotation of crop? Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Diwan-e-Kohi. Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Muhammad bin Tughlaq transferred his capital from Delhi to Daulatabad. Transfer of capital from Delhi to Daulatabad. Muhammad bin Tughlaq. First time token currency was introduced in India by Muhammad bin Tughlaq. First Sultan to introduce token currency, Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Muhammad bin Tughlaq issued a new gold coin which was called as dinar by Ibn Battuta. The scheme of the token currency of Muhammad bin Tughlaq proved unsuccessful. Muhammad bin Tughlaq did not have a proper control over currency issue. Ibn Battuta, Moorish traveler, visited India during reign of Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Medieval Ibn Battuta belonged to Morocco. Ibn Battuta visited India during reign of Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Who of the following have been given a detailed description of postal system found during the Sultanate period? Ibn Battuta. Yusuf Shah Chak, the last Muslim ruler of Kashmir Valley who was exiled to Bihar by the Mughal Emperor Akbar, was buried in Nalanda. First Sultan of Delhi to participate in the public celebration of Holi, Muhammad bin Tughlaq. On the death of this Muslim ruler, a historian said the king was freed from his people and they from their king. Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Muhammad bin Tughlaq provided employment to unemployed. Muhammad Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Employment exchange, Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Diwan-e Khairat department, Diwan-e Khairat, Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Most number of slaves in his court, Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Correct statement, Firoz Shah Tughlaq separate department for slave. Public work department, Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Reputed to have built the biggest network of canal, Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Maximum number of canal, Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Jizya on Brahmins, levied jizya on Brahmins, Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Introduced measure for improving the quality of fruit, Firoz Shah Tughlaq. 2 Ashok pillar to Delhi from Topara and Meerut, Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Which Sultan of Delhi brought Ashoka pillar to Delhi, Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Translation department to help both communities to understand each other ideas better, Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Translated 300 volume of Sanskrit books collected by Firoz Shah Tughlaq during the campaign of Nagarkot, Aziuddin Khan. First Indian ruler to organize Hajj pilgrimage from state exchequer was Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Dar-ul-Safa, established by Firoz Shah Tughlaq, a free hospital. Who was the last ruler of Tughlaq dynasty of Delhi Sultanate? Nasiruddin Muhammad Shah. In whose reign did Timur invaded India? नसीरुद्दीन मोहम्मद शाह। तिमूर लंग अटैक इंडिया 1398। विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग डायनेसिटी रूल्ड ओवर इंडिया आफ्टर इन्वेजन ऑफ तिमूर? सैयद। अरेंज द फॉलोइंग इन अदर क्रोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर। रखुद्दीन 1236, मुबारक खान 1316 से 1320, फिरोज शाह तुगलक 51 से 88, आलम शाह 1445 से 51। लोधी डायनेसिटी। Who among the following Sultanate ruler was Afghan origin? Lodi. Correct chronological order of Afghan ruler. बहलोल लोधी, सिकंदर लोधी, शाह इब्राहिम लोधी। बहलोल लोधी जौनपुर। महाराणा संगा defeated Ibrahim Lodi, Battle of Khatoli. Sultan founded a town where now Agra stand. Sikandar Lodi. Credit of funding the city of Agra and making it capital of Sultanate. Sikandar Lodi. Agra, Sikandar Lodi. Composed poem with the pen name Gulrukhi, Sikandar Lodi. Agra city, Sikandar Lodi. Abolish the tax on grain, Sikandar Lodi. In which order did following dynasty rule? Slav, Khilji, Sayyid Lodi.